Are you a driving instructor? Are you training to become a driving instructor? When it comes to teaching pupils things like meeting situations, anticipation and dual carriageways, do you struggle? Do you look for ways of being a better teacher? Would you like to be more confident of passing the ADI Part 3 test or the Standards Check test? Then these ADI lesson plans from Driver Training Limited will definitely help you achieve those goals. Our ADI lesson plans are the most comprehensive driving instructor lesson plans that you can buy. They cover all the subjects that you will need to teach people, from cockpit drill and controls through to independent driving, driving on motorways including smart motorways, and using sat-nav as well as the driving manoeuvres. They're designed by audit-registered trainers, Driver Training Limited, who have been training people to become driving instructors for almost 20 years. They provide the full lesson structure to pass your ADI Part 3 or your ADI Standards Check. Most briefing folders or lesson plans may show the pictures, but they don't really explain the subject or what to look out for. The difference with this briefing folder, it actually includes instructions of how to do it. The full briefing folder is over 300 pages, but here's the great thing. If you already have a briefing folder, you can choose the subjects that you want to improve on. Subjects such as manoeuvres, turning, emerging and junctions, motorways, dual carriageways and overtaking. We have lesson plan diagrams for anticipation and meeting, country roads and bends. These are some of the best driving instructor books that you can buy. Get yours now on our website aditrainer.org.